Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. Just doing a quick note on dealing with negative numbers. And often a lot of students get confused because they go, oh, well, two negatives always make a positive. And I think what we really need to focus on here is what are we doing with the negative numbers? If we're adding or subtracting, I'd always encourage the use of a number line. Even just a simple sketch. Here, just looking at a positive 1, positive 2. Imagine we're going to have -4 add 3. Go and use your your number line. Extend that there, -4 there. Start at that first one and then add 3. And you can see you can end up with -1. So don't be discouraged or put off with the use of a number line. And don't then get confused if you had two negatives being used here. Say if I had -2, -1. Again, use your number line, start at -2, but you are going to subtract 1 from there. So you're going to go there and equal -3. Some students then have to watch out if you're going to have, 2 minus a -1. So imagine it's temperature, you're taking away some cold, or it's money, you're taking away a debt, you'll end up with more money. You don't owe someone any money anymore. That's when two negatives make a positive. That becomes 2 plus 1. So again, start with that first number. Now take away that debt. You're going to move there. End up with 3. Okay, so there's 3 quick demonstrations of doing some adding, subtracting with some negatives. And as you can see, the movement was always in different directions there. I'm adding 3, so I'm moving to the right there. I'm taking away 1, so I'm moving to the left. So in fact, that sign there is more the action, whereas the sign there is the value of that number. Okay, now what would happen if I was doing multiplication or division with negatives? Well, here I would always recommend the use of a sign table. If I'm multiplying or dividing two positive numbers, I'll end up with a positive, and this is where two negatives would make a positive. If the signs are different, it's negative. And the 4 cases there, +4 times +2, or divide, you're going to get with +8, 4 lots of 2. If I had 4 times -2, imagine 4 times you're going to lose £2, end up with losing £8. If I had -4 times +2, have -4 taken away twice. Again, it's going to be -8. And then I'm not changing the numbers here, so we're just focusing on the change of signs. But if I have -4, that's where two negatives would make a positive. So that kind of catchphrase of two negatives make a positive, it's only in that case of multiplying or dividing. Otherwise, adding, subtracting, use a number line, multiplying, dividing, use a sign table. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or share.